In this video, we try to explain all the details about this hotel, like location, landmark, reviews, amenities of the hotel, and room category and facilities also. As you can see on the screen, property location. And here is the nearby attractions and landmark also.
You will find lots of reviews and numbers online that are invited to enjoy their stay.
Its review rating is 8.8, which is the fabulous. A set of FAQs is now displayed on the screen, which will address many of your basic questions about this property. You can see on the screen details like room size, bed type, room rate, amenities, facilities, and images, etc. Will be required to present photo ID at check-in. The property accepts major credit cards and reserves the right to temporarily hold an amount prior to arrival.
Location of the property is fine and guests love to enjoy the surroundings.
10 categories of rooms are available online. You can book them online and enjoy your stay. Several deals and offers are available online for this property, along with various meal plans and payment policies. If you are planning to book it, you can do so through the link provided in the description.
Please read description box. If you have received any other property, this property will be taken as by
If you are new on this channel or you have not subscribed our channel yet, then you must subscribe our channel and press the bell icon so that you do not miss any video of our upcoming property. Thanks for watching the video till the end. So friends, will meet again in a new video with a new property. Be safe, be happy.